Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on to share the projects that I made with the Inloveart design team package that I received. Down below, you'll find all the links to the products that I am using, as well as my discount code, which is down below as well. All right, so let's jump right in. First off, I am using these slim branches nesting frame dies, as well as the Creative Earth map dies. Now, there is a mistake on this set here. They actually made it facing the wrong way. So, like, this is right, but however, once you cut it out, it's going to cut out the wrong way. So I haven't let them know yet, but I will. But I did go ahead and create a card with it, nevertheless, and I thought it turned out cute. Here we go. So I just cut out that earth as well as this frame here. I did not use the travel because it's facing backwards, but I did put enjoy the journey. There goes the journey. And I also used that in the inside, that branch frame die in the inside as well. I inked up this torn paper edge just to kind of make it look a little vintage. And I added a piece of map behind the earth, just so it kind of looks like as if there's some color and texture behind those that globe area there. And I did ink up the sides of the card itself, added a few diamond dots on there and called it done. There we go. So that's the first one that I made. Next up, I am using the glass, what is it called? Lemon glass frame dies. And that's how that looks there. It's gonna come assembled like this, but I, had to take it apart. And let me show you what I made. Oh, and I also used, let me show you the embossing folder that I used as well. I used this one here. I don't know if you can see the hearts on there. And this is called Diamond Background. Oops, I take that back. This is called Diamond Embossing Folder, and each diamond has a heart. All right, and let me show you this shaker card I made. It looks so refreshing. So I wanted it to look like as if it is strawberry lemonade. So I did throw some sequins in there along with the lemons, and I inked up the lemons with Distress Oxide ink, slapped on that Happy Summer, as well as that bow to go on top of that twine. And there goes that heart diamond embossing folder there. And I added some lemons and strawberries on there, yes. And I did, I snipped the straw right here, just so that it looked like as if it was going all the way through. All right, and I did finish off the inside of that as well. And that is that card there. All right, next up, I made a Mother's Day card. Now, like I said before, these are the Beautiful Christmas series flower dies here. And then this right here is the diamond background board dies. And so I combined both of those to create my next card, which is right here. And I made it so it has two colors on there. So what I did was I cut out one in blue, one in white, and just slid that over just a little bit and snipped it off. So you can't tell that I snipped it off from behind there, and then just staggered it a little bit. And then slapped my Mother's Day blessings on there. And I used these, I did ink these up with Distress ink and cut out the flowers, and I layered those up twice so it can have a little bit of sturdiness to it. And I did finish the inside. But I really like that background die. It's really pretty, as well as those flowers. All right, so up next we have the, let me show you these. These are called the multiple lace tag dies, and I'm gonna bring those a little bit closer. So the 4 dies or 2 dies that I use this one as well as this one here. And I love that they were so short and so cute. And I tried to start off with an embellishments, but it ended up being a card. So anyways, I layered both of those together. And then the next set, I use this one and this one together. And then I wanted the back part of these little holes here, I wanted those to be a different color. So I used this one as well. So this one has a combination of three. So it kind of looks like that. All right, so let me show you how that turned out. And I thought it turned out so pretty. And there it goes. It says, hello there, friend. And this rosette here is made from one of my subscribers. She sent it to me a couple years ago, and I'm finally getting around to use it, and I thought it was just perfect. So what I tried to do was bring out the purple in that rosette, and I put it on these lace tag dies here. And I thought that turned out so pretty. Oh, and I did use the same embossing folder there. I used that embossing folder, except for I put this one on the reverse side. Like this one is the right side up, and then I used the negative side for this one. And then I added some enamel dots going around. I mean, not enamel, but diamond dots. And added an extra die in the back, and then finish off the inside of the card. But I thought this is gorgeous. Loved it. Okay, and then oops, and I didn't show you these other two that comes with that set. That's what comes with it. And then the last set of dies that I am using is the Cute Bow Bag Handle dies. And that's how those look there. And this is really small. It's like 2.5 inches wide and probably I don't know, maybe 1.5 inches tall, maybe, or 1.75. Oops, I didn't glue that down well, but this is what I made here. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I thought it turned out so pretty. And it's just perfect for a little small gift or something to send in Happy Mail. Just that little extra touch there. I thought it's so pretty. And this little baggie here that I got down here, it measures like 2 inches squared. So it's a really small die. I want to say this is 2. Let me just measure it for you. But it's like perfect for Happy Mail. I'm just trying to get I did do the measurements, if I'm not mistaken, on the product reveal video, but it's a little bit over 2.25 inches. And let's see, the height is about 1.5. So it's really small, but it really packs a punch. It is just adorable. So those are the 2 items I made. All right, and so those are all of the items that I created with those dies. I hope you like what you see. If so, I'll have all the links down below. Make sure you go ahead and click on those and grab that discount code and head over and go shopping. Stay around, watch for the pictures at the end, and that is all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.